Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select your country on the Alibaba application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the My Alibaba app icon down below, which is the last option. After that, you should scroll down till you find this settings section. Click on it, and then you should tap on the ship to button, and here you should choose your country or region. As you can see, there's a vast variety of options you can choose from. These are organized into alphabetical order, so you can find them more easily by clicking on the relevant letter in the right side of the screen. Just simply click on the relevant one, and then the country region function of this application will be updated. Feel free to go back to this section anytime if you want to change it for something else. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.